My name is Trisha Dupnock. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate in civil and environmental engineering. I work in Marc Deshusses' lab. We do a lot of research that focuses on biological solutions to some of the world's most pressing environmental problems. We do a lot of work with sanitation, clean water, odor. My focus is on converting waste into energy. I'm looking at how we can clean raw biogas into a high quality methane that's an alternative to natural gas, so we can inject it into the grid. So we're looking at waste to alternative energy usage.
Well, Trisha has been working on an exciting project to upgrade biogas, and there's a renewed interest in biogas, and because it's a renewable source of energy, but it contains CO2. And then what Trisha has been working on is a bioreactor that can convert the CO2 into methane, and that become then biogas that we can inject into the natural gas pipeline. And so she's been working with bioreactors and microorganisms that convert CO2 to methane. Being
that my PI is a well-known academic in our field, there's a lot of international connections there. During my second year, we kind of sat down and we looked at who are some of the people that I can connect with to broaden my scope and refine my skills as a researcher. And so basically my second summer, we outlined this biological trickling tour of Europe that involved going to conferences, presenting at conferences, working at different research facilities. So that summer I got to travel to mostly France and Spain, and I met some of the leading experts in the field, and I got to work with them in their labs. And that, was a very eye-opening and humbling experience to be able to work abroad with these people. A lot of them still have, they're still a driving force in my research today. We have students in our lab that are from abroad that I'm working with. I have committee members that are from abroad. I received the UTCU Award for the best pre-dissertation research publication, and it was just a great honor. There's a lot of really advanced high-level research going on in the CEE department. One thing that has just always struck me about downtown Durham is that it's all local. It's very rare that you see a big chain on the street. A lot of the shops are local, they're sourced locally. There's just a pride about, keeping Durham local, and that's something that I think is really unique to this area. Being at Duke, and I know this because I've been on the committees that look at these culture surveys, but Duke students are happy. We like being here. When we ask students, why did you select Duke? The answer by and large is because the students were happy. The students were happy here.